Welcome to a topic that touches each of our kitchens, the safety of the cooking oils we use every day. I'm Dr. Fuat, and today we're peeling back the layers of a critical 2022 study published in Toxins Journal, exploring the risk of liver cancer from a toxin you've likely never seen but may have consumed. Let's dive in. Aflatoxins, particularly aflatoxin B1, are not something we can see or taste, yet they are present in a majority of the cooking oils we use, according to this alarming study. These toxins come from a type of mold that loves to grow where oils are stored, and the consequences for our health are serious. In a thorough test of oil samples, a staggering amount revealed aflatoxin levels beyond what's considered safe. Particularly concerning was canola oil, which seemed to be more affected than others. This is not just a number game. These findings suggest a real risk for liver cancer, especially for adults over 35 who use these oils frequently. And the risk appears to be higher with canola oil. Expecting my son has deepened my resolve for food safety. We need strict safety measures and smart choices in our cooking oils. Let's champion this together. For Health Insights, subscribe. Stay safe until we meet again.